Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just upgraded the outside of my house by adding this remarkable lit address sign. I am totally in love with this.
This is a solar-powered address sign from MAXvolador, and I cannot tell you enough about how easy it was for me to customize this for my home. It comes with the numbers, it comes with letters, it also comes with a guide, so you don't have to guess. You can make sure that everything is lined up.
I just want to show you the different colors of the light so you can see how you can customize it to your own preference. So that's off, that's the yellow, that's the second, and then that's the third, which is like not quite as bright white. So I kind of like it right in the middle. So again, it's your preference. So that's one other part that makes this so such a special lit sign, is that you can also change the actual color or brightness of the light.
You also have the option of hanging it if you want, or you can also put it on the stake that's included. I decided to stake it next to my mailbox, but I really appreciate the fact that they give you both options and the stake is quite sturdy.
I'm really impressed with how well made this is and how bright and clear it is at night. I also love the fact that they give you a guide so you can be certain that you're going to get your address nice and even. That's important for me because I am not good at making things nice and even. So they really took the guesswork out of it. And that is my point of view.